Hi, and welcome to the fifth episode of the Vele podcast. I am your host Akash, joined by my fellow podcasters Arnav, Kevin, and Amrit.
हम
I
पॉडकास्ट
guess we
लेजेंड्स
can,
बन चुके
What's
हैं.
up?
yeah, I was going to say, I guess we can call ourselves podcasters now. This is our fifth episode. Congratulations, guys.
मैं
Thank you.
5 एपिसोड तो कॉलोनी में सब बना चुके हैं. 5 वॉइस नोट लोग रोज निकालते हैं. क्या बात
This
करते
is
हैं
very
अपलोड कितने
similar
किए
to,
हैं? अपलोड तो एक ही किया है.
भाई?
thanks to
अगर
you, only one.
अगर तुम व्हाट्सएप में तो तुम 40-50 लोगों को फॉरवर्ड करो तो अपलोड ही है वो.
But
देखा जाए तो.
चुप रहे. आकाश
uh,
कंटिन्यू.
so, on that note, today we will be talking about the Old Guard movie on Netflix, starring Academy Award winner Charlize Theron, along with a very diverse cast, which surprisingly very diverse. The movie is directed by Gina Prince Bythewood,
क्या?
who's Gina Prince Bythewood.
ओह अच्छा लगा. ओके मैंने कहा एंड. आई थॉट एंड में यू सेड समथिंग एल्स. आई थॉट बाय द वे
No,
बोल रहा हूँ. मैंने
no.
कहा ओके. माय बैड.
Whose previous work I have never seen before, but I've heard of one. It's called Love and Basketball, a Spike Lee movie. I remember hearing about it, and that's the only movie I've heard that she's made. But I know that this movie is very different for her because this is, when I looked at the list, there is nothing like a big kind of action movie relatable. It's more like dramas. The movie is written by Greg Rucka and produced by Skydance and Denver and Delilah Productions. It is based on a comic book with the same name. Did you guys know that?
ये सब तो लोग IMDb पे पढ़ लेंगे.
Yeah, but did you guys know it was based on a comic book like
No,
नहीं.
Avengers
I did
or
not.
something like that, but not by Marvel or DC?
There's an old guard बोल के there is a comic book.
Yeah.
मार्वल और डीसी के सिवाय भी लोग कॉमिक
No, there's,
छापते हैं
I don't know
आजकल.
the company. I couldn't find the company. It's not Dark Horse. It's not, what's the other one that makes RoboCop comics? I can't remember.
तेरे सिवाय और किसी को नहीं पता है. ये पता ना तुझे.
You should know, man. So, okay, let's go with our first impressions. Spoiler free, of course. What did you guys think?
भाई कौन बोल रहा है?
One of you start. Amrit, since you started talking, you go first.
अच्छा बिल्कुल. पहले first 15-20 minutes I was so ready to give up on this movie simply because it felt like this was another failed action attempt. But this is the first movie in a long time which actually grew on me post the first 30 minutes, and I'm so happy that I actually watched it, because normally I would have dropped this very fast. Actually, in all reality, I did drop it after the first 15 minutes because I was like, yeah, now I know what you're going to do. But overall, as quick impressions, really liked the movie by the end, and I can't believe I'm saying this, but I was like, now looking for part two or something. I'm waiting for the sequel because of how part one ended. That's how much I like this movie.
Yeah, in terms of script, I think there was nothing like nothing unexpected out of it, but like I think it kept me in. Like Amrit said, the first 15 minutes seemed like a failed attempt. Like and especially like if you have watched Atomic Blonde, which is a Charlize Theron movie, it has a similar start, but like it's bang on from the first second itself, and I really enjoyed. But I think what I had to add was I really enjoyed the soundtracks. I think it really complemented every.
Really?
Uh,
I thought the soundtrack was very awkward in some places.
No,
I think
I
before the
Fit.
what?
I felt like it didn't fit. I felt like you have a risk with all these lyrical soundtracks when you put it in a movie. I feel like it kind of steals the away from the movie, takes something away from the movie. Not
No,
steal.
I think before the fight scene and stuff, I think it was perfect.
yeah,
I mean, I'm
I
sure there
agree.
was.
Yeah, I think I have similar feelings. कि soundtrack, at least for me, worked इस movie में. Especially before, I mean, the way they were trying to build up the action scenes. वो जो soundtrack था, I think it added some value. And overall, I think मेरा impression is very similar to Kevin. कि I think kept me entertained. Nothing unexpected or anything, but it kept me entertained throughout.
And I think by the way, Atomic Blonde also is a similar approach. Like right bang on, like very peppy kind of a soundtrack going on in the background. And I think that what they're trying to do is like kind of feel the adrenaline rush before the fight, right? They're trying to transfer that to your audience. That was
Hmm.
For me, I guess I just prefer. I never liked them. I remember in that Amazing Spider-Man movie, they had a lyrical soundtrack, and I always felt like the orchestral soundtracks are just stand out more to me.
नहीं, but I think तेरी बात सही है if certain lyrics can get in the way of the scene, but in this specifically, like इसका वो जो last song है यार, वो Billy आई डोंट नो सम आउटलॉ करके जो गाना है, बेबी आउटलॉ.
Mhm.
That
Yeah.
song, I thought that was like perfectly placed, considering what's going to happen in that point of the movie. And then that fight sequence where she goes crazy and is killing people, and as the soundtrack builds up, I personally found it like it added to the scene. Like it kept me thoroughly like engaged. Ki, Acha, wow, yaar. Because otherwise, yaar, you are used to the main hero or heroine killing 20-30 people. It's like, हाँ यार, action movie है, तुम मारोगे सबको. और ऐसा है नहीं कि यू विल डाई राइट नाउ, देन द मूवी का पॉइंट क्या हुआ? बट या
I think वो soundtrack था, it was in a way defining those emotions on characters की. So that's the part which I like.
Yeah, the soundtrack definitely, like the lyrics were matching the
hmm
what was
Yeah,
happening on the most
again,
part.
yeah.
For the
very
most part.
smartly, it's very smartly like put together playlist, if you ask me personally. But yeah, वो अच्छा था.
So I really liked the movie quite a bit. I don't think it's like amazing, but it's a solid, good action movie, like good entertainment. And it's definitely on the levels of like some of the Marvel movies or DC movies, even though DC movies haven't been that great recently. But I really like the action. The action was really good. It was pretty gruesome though.
नहीं यार, पर आकाश सही बताऊं, आई थिंक दिस इज अ गुड साइन ऑफ अ मूवी विच शोज यू दैट जो इफ यू जस्ट गेट ओवर द इनिशियल awkwardness of a movie and give movies a chance, or any show a chance, because it can actually grow on you really well. Like
Hmm.
not even like तुम अपने आप को force कर रहे हो कि मुझे ये like करना है. Like this was one of those movies where I genuinely felt like I really wanted to give up on it, but it reminded me. तुमने वो देखी है Witcher? देखी है तुमने?
No,
No,
I
It's
no.
like
haven't
that.
watched The Witcher.
It's like the first episode of Witcher because it came exactly after Game of Thrones, right? So,
Mhm.
Yep.
so this movie, Old Guard is releasing in the post Marvel, like वो 6 month वो है post Avengers का 1 साल बाद और 1.5-2 साल बाद वाले time period में. You wouldn't expect any sort of thing like this to not hit the same way, but the Witcher के post the first episode, I fell in love with it. And this was pretty much, I won't say मुझे उतना level of anticipation इसके लिए, but it was like a huge wake up call कि like these other franchises have great stories also within them. We just probably have to give these I guess more of a chance than we normally do.
Yeah, is it because of the like the exposition that comes in the beginning of these type of movies that get pretty boring, or is just something
यार
else for you?
it's those fight scenes, it's those like वो scene नहीं है जब वो मूवी के पहले, it's not even a spoiler, वो शुरुआत में when these people are sitting together and they're doing that scene of guessing उस खाने के अंदर क्या है, stuff like that. It
Yeah.
seems
Okay.
very
Yeah.
forced when you don't know the characters and you don't know their background and you don't know anything about them. It's like you're forcing camaraderie down our throat. And in an era
Yeah,
where
I
we
guess
have
they
like
have to build those characters because it's a new franchise. So they have to give some history or they have to give their उनके जो भी patterns हैं जो भी they have to build those things, I guess.
yeah, but it's exactly what Arnav said. But the thing is, I was watching that this as a standalone action movie, and that's one of the things I hate about most action films is जब वो तुम्हें बहुत ज्यादा वो करने की कोशिश, स्पून फीड करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि लाइक हाँ हम
Mm.
भाई हैं, हम सही में भाई हैं, नहीं हमारे बीच में एक्चुअली बॉन्ड है, बताएं हम कैसे, लाइक दैट इमीडिएट इज अ ह्यूज टर्न ऑफ फॉर मी पर्सनली.
I think initially yes, but then you realize कि ये क्यों किया उन्होंने because it's not a they are trying to build a franchise out of it. That's what
Yeah,
it seems like.
by the end it was
Definitely.
like perfect, like okay, this is
Yeah.
not a standalone thing, and yeah, perfect.
Mm.
I think it lacked a little bit of comical, but I think I'm thinking from Avengers side of like it lacked a little bit of comical side.
That's just the
As
style, I guess. Like if you see the DC movies, they've just
yeah,
implemented this dark style and everything.
No, DC
yeah.
is
Actually,
Marvel,
like
you know what? I
dark
don't know
style
who's
crap.
yeah, it's not been successful for them.
Yeah.
But and Marvel has found a huge success in this comic style type.
पर भाई वो मूवी थिएटर के लिए बनी है यार, उनकी मार्वल की हर मूवी, थैंकफुली उनका लक अच्छा, प्री कोरोना एरा में उनकी सारी मूवीज आई है. बट वो थिएटर में होती है, फैमिली के साथ जा सकते हो, बच्चों को भी हंसी आएगी, सबको हंसी आएगी ऑफ ऑल एज
Yeah,
ग्रुप्स, इट्स नॉट जस्ट
they've
फॉर कॉमिक बुक फैंस.
they found a formula and perfected it now. Otherwise, before they also used to struggle. Like you used to see like the Thor, Dark World, all this Incredible Hulk.
oh the
Well,
Incredible Hulk movies are horrible. But anyways, we're going off topic.
Yeah, going on. But this was a pretty good for a comic book movie. It is a superhero movie technically, but
Yeah.
It was pretty decent, which makes me think how it would perform in cinema if there was like halls were open normally everywhere.
nahi yaar, this wouldn't do well. This would kind of be like the world of actually in this ऐसी movies के लिए streaming audience पहले अच्छी है which can build up a following. Because imagine this जैसे वो वर्ल्ड ऑफ वॉरक्राफ्ट मूवीज है, कितना बड़ा फ्रेंचाइज है वो, बट जब वो थिएटर में आई वॉरक्राफ्ट 3D करके, इट्स जस्ट टू वेग बिकॉज द एंटायर ऑडियंस के सामने तुम एक चीज डाल रहे हो एंड दे मे और मे नॉट बी अवेयर ऑफ व्हाट यू आर ट्राइंग टू सेल. तो अभी
But this is
नेटफ्लिक्स.
more
हाँ भाई.
compared to World of Warcraft movie. It's a bit more like World of Warcraft. When you look at it, the movie felt like you needed some previous information to
इंफॉर्मेशन
understand what's
अबाउट इट
going on.
100% ना, मैं कह रहा हूँ ये ओल्ड गार्ड मूवी थिएटर में इफ इट वाज इन अराउंड द वर्ल्ड इन अभी इंडिया में जैसे राइट ना नेटफ्लिक्स में इट्स ट्रेंडिंग नंबर 1, ठीक है.
Yeah.
इन अगर ये सेम मूवी थिएटर पे होती, आई नो ये सेम चीज इंटरनेशनली हिट ही नहीं कर पाती.
No,
Yeah.
internationally,
But the
but I don't
same
think
thing ना.
people would look at it as a comic book movie because I none. Did you guys know it was a comic book movie
No,
No.
that's my
published?
point ना, like
You
forget
just
even
walk
comic
in.
book,
I think
even a super. हाँ काले वो वॉक इन कल्चर थोड़ा उतना भी
that's
ब्लेटेंट
true.
नहीं है ना हमारे यहाँ पे एटलीस्ट. मैं इंडिया और मैं
What about
अज्यूमिंग एशिया का सब वो सेम है. इट्स नॉट लाइक अच्छा $10 के लिए हम जाके एक मूवी देख रहे हैं वाला वो थिंग ना. You
True.
invest time into going for a movie weekend and you have so many regional movies. उसके बीच में सुपर हीरो मूवीज तुम वही देखते हो जिसका तुम्हें आइडिया है. नाउ ओल्ड गार्ड की सेकंड मूवी अगर पोस्ट कोरोना वर्ल्ड में आती है, सो नाउ इट एटलीस्ट हैज अ बेस फैन फॉलोइंग एंड इनफ पीपल टॉकिंग अबाउट इट कि यार ये मूवी बहुत अच्छी थी.
Kevin, you were going to say something. We
No, that's what I was going to say. Do you guys think that if the second part or something becomes will come in? I mean, they've built up something good, I think. I think they ended it perfectly as well.
Yeah, I think
Really.
ending is always good. Okay, we'll get to that in a bit, but I'm guessing you all would recommend it to other people to watch as well.
Yes.
What? Yeah.
Yeah.
Actually, my dad's
Acting wise,
watching it currently.
oh, your dad's watching it.
Yeah.
Uh,
He had nothing to
Update us
watch, so
on
I was
how
like,
he
watch.
likes it.
मैं अपनी मम्मी पापा को बोलूंगा तो गाली पड़ेगी.
I think my mom, if I told my mom, and my dad might be fine with it, my mom might be like, "What is this? All the his intestines are out and everything."
Yeah, it's
What is wrong?
too blood. The gore might be too much for
Yeah,
my.
the gore is
Yeah.
the
No,
problem.
my dad likes action.
My dad would be fine as well. But acting
Uh,
wise, for you guys, who did anyone stand out, or you think they all just did a good job, or not a good job? What did you guys think? Go, Kevin,
Um,
or Arnav.
I
Go,
think
Arnav.
Charlize Theron did good, and I didn't expect anything different from her uh, that I didn't see in Atomic Blonde because, like, I actually like that movie a lot. So I
Mm-hmm.
saw a similar uh genre. She has done basically a similar genre, and I think she pulls it off pretty good. I think the least favorite actor was like the Henry Melling guy. Oh, Melling guy. He was the head doctor. I felt he was not that great.
Or the CEO.
Yeah, he was. I don't know. He just didn't seem like.
yeah, I think they
Mm-hmm.
wanted to show some psycho kind of a वो CEO उस pharma company का. I guess that's why they maybe it was the character was built like that. मुझे पता नहीं उसकी और वो actor कैसा है in general, but in this one it felt like they intentionally built him that way.
Let
Yeah,
us see.
Oh,
Did you recognize the actor?
no, the Jesse Eisenberg rip-off लग रहा था वो मुझे.
You know, can you guess? He's from a very famous book franchise and film. Well, his character is from a famous book franchise and film franchise
क्या
that
हैरी
everyone
पॉटर
watched.
में क्या है ये?
Yep, yep. He's
हैरी
Dudley.
Dudley.
Wow.
He's lost a lot of
Well,
weight, man.
so
Oh yeah, this guy.
he
जो character मेरे लिए stood out किया was that girl Nile.
Arnav just changed the topic. He's like Harry Potter student.
no, but Kalia, it's like clearly he lost his entire family from inside him. कितना weight lose किया इस बंदे ने?
Yeah, he lost a
Like,
lot. Oh, so
wow.
let's go back because Arnav, I don't think wants to talk about Harry Potter much.
Arnab, but हमारी
Arnav,
diverse
yeah, you were saying
international
the
audience को हैरी पॉटर के
Nile,
बारे में
right?
इंटरेस्ट है ना?
Yeah, I think she was the one who stood out for me.
For me, I liked that Booker. What I can't even say his name right. The guy actual.
Matthias.
Matthias? No, it's
अबे
Matthias.
अबे
He's
तुम नाम
Belgian.
बर्बाद करने से अच्छा बुकर ही बुला दो। मूवी में सब बुकर बुला रहे हैं तो
Booker.
तुम भी
I
बुकर
want to
बोल
give
दो।
the actor credit now, but I can't say his name. So
ओह उसको पैसे मिल गए नेटफ्लिक्स से भाई,
yeah,
टेंशन मत ले।
yeah, exactly. But his acting was pretty good actually. I liked his. It was very mellow, and you could feel some of the emotion in his scenes when he told a story
क्या?
about his family.
ओह
किसकी एक्टिंग?
इमोशन, ओके ओके।
Oh yeah, you're right.
किसकी बात कर रहे हो?
बुकर
The
बुकर
Booker.
यार। अबे
Booker.
जो जो आई
ओ
डोंट नो
अच्छा अच्छा, गॉट इट
लिटियस।
गॉट इट।
Spoiler free.
समझ गया।
Spoiler free. Spoiler free.
ओके ओके। आई डिडंट
Yeah.
फाइंड
So
एनीवन्स एक्टिंग स्पेशली गुड और
या नथिंग
स्पेशली
ऐसे
बैड।
स्टूड
no,
आउट
not
फॉर मी except
yeah.
for the Nile girl. I think her character was
उसका
interesting.
कैरेक्टर इंटरेस्टिंग था। आई वुडंट से द
Character, yes.
डिपिक्शन वाज दैट
Yeah, true.
like her backstory, her family story, her losing her father at that age, also killed in action, and how her mother raises them. The story was very good.
Hmm.
That's
But
likable character.
yeah, it was very likable
Mm.
character. His actual struggle से तुम इतनी दूर आए हो. But I wouldn't say कि the acting was like ऐसे कि यार मैं याद करने वाला हूँ, anything like that. No,
No,
everyone
no
I
one's
think
acting.
everyone did a very good job. Kevin mentioned the Merrick guy, right? The CEO guy. Yeah,
Yeah.
I thought that was just a very terrible attempt at trying to क्या कहते हैं replicate Jesse Eisenberg का role in like Social Network या Lex Luthor जब वो बन के आया था.
Hmm.
Like it just wasn't convincing at all.
Yeah.
But yeah.
I mean, I felt he was an asshole, like, but it wasn't like the way maybe it might be not his acting, but the dialogues were weak, and like whoever was working
Yeah.
on his impressions and everything,
I just
they did
Kevin,
not
not.
do
do
a
you
good
remember
job.
the scene when there's one very specific scene where I actually felt bad for him. जब वो बोलता है ना कि तुम कितने selfish हो, like somewhere
Yeah,
around the end. I actually felt bad for him. Oh, this guy kind of had a point. But overall, yeah.
I just
That
felt his character didn't have much of a great motivation kind of thing. I thought he'd be like, it was just basically money, right?
yeah,
His
basically.
motivation. I thought if it was like he wants that, the ability they have for himself or something, that would make like he's dying or something and he wants the
he was just
ability.
a very blah villain, and these people were too
Yeah.
overpowered.
Mm.
I
So
like those
story
pairs as
wise,
well.
huh, Kevin? What did you say?
Those two guys, Joe and Nikki, they were like they had one or two scenes that were actually funny, like in the moment kind of thing, like in the truck and stuff, in the seal van, they were arrested. It
सील
was funny.
वैन में कौन सा फनी सीन था बे? फनी नहीं था, आई थॉट रोमांटिक और
It was the
इमोशनल सीन
It
romantic
था।
was
scene.
funny though to me.
What?
No, no, no. I do. I mean, it's not that way. Like the situation, and then they step out of the van and what the situation, like
ओह वैसे वैसे,
like
ओके
that. Yeah.
ओके
Oh,
ओके
okay.
या
Okay, so story wise, you all like the story.
यस।
Yep.
Decent, yeah.
So would you compare it to a Marvel movie? I'm just saying it because comic book movie. So would you
I would
compare it
compare it to
to
Punisher. I would.
Punisher? Ooh, good
You know
pick,
the
Kevin.
Punisher series. That's a similar concept. I wouldn't compare him to like Avengers because they're not like
No,
that
no.
kind of a.
Yep, yep.
या
I
these
think
these people are hiding।
it's too early for me to compare because yeah, अपन ने बहुत सारी Marvel movies देख चुके हैं installment,
Hmm.
so not sure what to expect in future.
तो जो केविन ने बोला, आई थिंक दैट्स द आई थिंक समथिंग लाइक पनिशर, जेसिका जोन्स, लूक, व्हाट इज दैट गाइस नेम?
Luke
Luke
Cage.
Cage.
Yeah, that guy. The वो it seemed like उनमें से कोई offbeat franchise, something like that. Yes, not mainstream at all, because all of the superhero movies that Marvel and DC have made, उसमें everyone knows कि ये लोग कौन है. इसमें तो even they didn't know. This woman didn't know all the things she had done, let alone anyone else. So I don't think we can even compare them, because it's a very different take
Yeah.
on superhero. Not the
Yep.
superheroes in front of you. These are people who जो shadows में काम करते हैं, and they're so few. उनके पीछे क्या था? What is that? I forgot the name. Shield वगैरह है उन लोगों के पीछे, जिसके साथ ये coordinate कर रहे हैं. There's government is involved. इसमें 4 people and 1 CIA reject. So you know.
I'd really like to see a older time, to be honest. That would be pretty entertaining person. Rather than showing the future, if they can show the past, like the 18th century. I mean, if that's a
Hmm.
spoiler.
नहीं नहीं
It's
अभी
not a
अभी 25 मिनट बाद स्पॉइलर तो नहीं कह सकते
I mean,
उसमें
it's
no,
obvious that these guys are going to be they have been alive from the past. They're pretty
yeah,
old.
Kevin, I
So
want to
that,
see the Crusades के time when she meets those two guys.
exactly, that will be very
Okay,
interesting.
so on that note, I'll go to the breakdown. So the movie follows characters Andy, Booker, Joe, and Nikki, played by Charlize Theron, Matthias. I can't say his last name, man. Schwarnartz, Marwan Kenzari, and Luca Marinelli, respectively. The four characters are warriors of old that have been living for years and years thanks to their regenerative health healing abilities, kind of like Wolverine, basically.
Oh yeah,
Which I found pretty cool. The scene where like there's some scenes where they show their regeneration taking place, like the bullets popping out and everything. So
exactly
each
like
one, yeah, exactly like Wolverine. Each one of them have been through many battles and survived thanks to their ability to heal. These four warriors use their abilities and warrior skill to help people as they see fit, which leads us to a scene where they are given a job by a former CIA agent named James Copley, played by Chiwetel Ejiofor, to rescue a group of kidnapped Sudani children. The four accept, but during the mission, they discover that it was an ambush set up by Copley, and then we see their regenerative ability in action, along with some cool combat scenes. Yeah, so this is the one I was talking about where the bullet pops out and she fixes her arm or something and gets up and they completely wreck people. Andy and the rest of the mortals after this decide to hunt down Copley as he now knows and has recorded footage of their secret ability. Meanwhile, we find out that there is another with the same ability as the four, and her name is Niall Freeman, a US Marine who has a death experience herself and manages to heal from it. This makes her brothers and sisters in arms act strangely with her, and we see a scene where the higher ups want her to be examined further. Andy then comes and stops her from being taken away and takes her back to the group. I'm obviously skipping a lot here. So if you guys feel there's something important I'm missing out, just mention it. Stop me and say this is
Akash,
so
stop.
stopped.
हाँ बस ठीक है.
Yeah. So during all of this, we see scenes with Copley showing footage of their regeneration to Harry Melling, a greedy CEO of a pharmaceutical company played by Harry Potter's cousin Dudley Dursley or Steve Merrick. I'm just going to call him Dudley from now on, actually.
हाँ सही में. That's how we remember him.
Yeah, that's how I remember. After this, we get some more exposition about the four warriors and find out that their immortality doesn't last forever and that they eventually can die of their wounds. And this is where you guys said, now the Crusades, this exposition comes that they've been living for a long time. One of them fought alongside Napoleon.
No, Booker fought against
Booker
Napoleon, died.
fought. I thought he fought with Napoleon.
No, against,
Died.
if I'm not
Against
wrong.
Napoleon.
Maybe
I can't
with
remember. Yeah.
Napoleon also. Either way, he died.
And the what were the other two's names? Nikki and Joe,
Yeah,
also murdered each other continuously because they were on opposite sides
during
and
the
fell in love.
Crusades.
Yeah, during the Crusades and fell in love.
They've loved each
And
other for a millennium.
and Andy, we don't know her past, how long. They don't reveal how long she's been alive for, but we know it's very long.
Yeah, it's basically somewhere before वो BCs में somewhere she was alive. So
Yeah, biblical times or something.
yeah,
They said
or much before it.
much before.
actually, I see
So
a
we
lot
learned.
of prospect.
Kevin, what did you
I
say?
mean, this like going. Okay, yeah, we can discuss this later. I was just talking about future uh things that they
Oh,
can do. No, no.
okay, so we learned some backstory of Andy's life and learn about her relationship or friendship with a woman named Quinn who had the same ability but was sent to the depths of the sea to die because she was believed to be a witch, like
That
Andy was.
machine was cool ना जिस machine में उसको डाल के फेंकते हैं.
Yeah, that it was like a
Iron
coffin
Maiden.
basically. Iron Maiden type, yeah.
Yeah.
Imagine, man, being thrown in that with that being the whole you can't get escape and being that's pretty actually.
No, but I think
And
that
you can't
मतलब
die. You just like
if
sit drowning.
या उस फिल्म में हमारा मस्त है ना एक बार पानी में डालो फिर वापस कभी नहीं आएंगे. But इसके केस में multiple times. Yeah.
So then, after all of that, we see them get ambushed again, and this time Joe and Nikki are kidnapped and taken to Dursley for testing and experimentation. During all the action, Andy gets injured, and we find out she is not healing anymore. Then we see a couple of scenes of Niall struggling to come to terms with her new life and deciding to leave the group and Andy and Booker decide to go and rescue Joe and Nikki from Copley and Dudley themselves. Though when they corner Copley, we find out Booker betrayed Andy and the others. Niall finds out about this and returns to Andy and manages to kill Dudley, and the group decides to punish Booker by telling him that he cannot be with the group for 100 years, and he accepts his punishment. Which I guess I was thinking this was a very stupid punishment, but
No, but especially
but
if
it
they
makes
are
sense.
no, I guess उनके लिए 100 साल does not particularly
Yeah,
mean much, but yeah, that thing was
but you,
very intense.
how else would you punish a friend who basically can live
Yeah,
forever?
because
I
these
mean,
people have and these people have nothing but trust to keep them with each other. So
I didn't mention the reason, but we'll get to that at the end, like why he betrayed them and everything. So then Copley then joins the team and becomes kind of their informant and helps hide any traces of their existence. Then 6 months later, we see a scene of Booker entering his apartment drunk, and he finds Quinn waiting for him inside there. Surprising.
basically क्विन अपनी टीम बना रही है और ये लोग अपनी टीम बना रहे हैं और इनके बीच में पार्ट 2 इन्होंने लाइक दे दिस वाज द बेस्ट क्लिफ हैंगर फॉर द सीक्वल लाइक दिस वाज मास्टरफुली पुट टुगेदर
But
लाइक
I'm pretty sure Quinn is gonna be the villain.
yeah
Yeah, yeah,
I
definitely.
know
She'll be
definitely
out for revenge kind of thing because what Andy didn't, Charlie's Theron character didn't come back for her or something.
yeah the
She
betrayal
failed at
because
finding her.
for clearly like she kept like making it seem like you know कि चालीसरन kept saying कि पता है तुम्हें पता है मैंने धोखा दिया उसको मैंने धोखा दिया था उसको like after a point I was like यार what exactly I mean could you have done in that situation they are literally throwing her in the bottom of the sea and you couldn't find her in the bottom of the sea so I mean I get
I
you
mean,
feel bad but after 400 years or something like you accept कि it's not your fault people are just shitty.
but I also felt the reason for the betrayal was I didn't understand. So Booker betrayed them because he just wanted to die.
Yeah,
He wanted to figure out okay.
he wants it
Because
to.
I thought it'd make more sense that he'd betray them because he wants like he went. Obviously, the motivation was that his son died of cancer.
नहीं 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 अबे तूने देखा नहीं ना वो तूने नहीं तूने वो वाला सीन नहीं देखा जिसमें वो एक्सप्लेन करती है जैसे जैसे हॉस्पिटल में इनको रेस्क्यू करते हैं एट दैट पॉइंट there's a conversation where she says that just because other two like the other two were a couple right in चार में
Oh yeah,
तो
yeah,
yeah तो इसके लिए तो basic thing is कि Booker and Charlie Theron feel very alone
yeah.
and like
Lonely.
sad and purposeless. So because yeah, individually they'll just do jobs here and there and then they'll disperse out into the world वाला logic है इनका. So she says ना we haven't dealt with that very well. So Booker का essential logic ये है कि मैं पक चुका हूँ 200 साल में ही ये खत्म करो हमारी ये बीमारी और अगर किससे मेडिकल साइंस का हेल्प हो जाता है तो then that's a good legacy as
But
well
I
is what I
guess
thought.
I related more to the thing that his son died and he couldn't do anything to save him.
Yeah, I think that's why him and Copley का वो है ना like
Yeah, that he.
sync.
That's why I thought like Copley also kind of betrays them because his wife died of
But I
Cancer
think yeah,
or
मुझे
something.
लगा
ALS.
बुकर का
ALS.
was because of वो
ALS.
suffering, not because of उसके son के बारे में.
No, that's why I think the sun angle would have been better for me because that's
Okay.
more of a motivational thing, at least
I,
I think.
I think
But I guess
suffering
suffering is
includes
also
everything,
fine.
right?
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
that's true.
What Kevin said. I think
That's what I
that's
was about to say.
one thing is a subset of that overall thing of
Yeah,
like वो किसी को बचा भी नहीं पाया and he's just living meaninglessly.
and yeah, he's just drinking all the time because we see him like pouring alcohol in everything. He
Actually
pours alcohol in the
that's a
tea
good
and everything.
observation actually. From the first scene he's उसका flask है उसके हाथ में.
Yeah, and he's always drinking from the flask, everything. So he's basically an alcoholic. Even at the end, before he enters the apartment, he's drinking from a bottle. And even
Hey,
she,
Andy's also not different. Yeah.
she was in the plane and she drinks like a huge bottle of vodka for herself.
That's the point, right? उसमें ये दिखाया है कि they
Yeah,
all are in
true.
a way suffering because they don't know the purpose कि वो क्यों अब तक जिंदा है, like उनके पास वो special
Yeah.
powers क्यों है, they don't have any purpose per se, उनको पता नहीं है maybe, so they all are in a way suffering because of that.
And
In
you saw
college
na
days,
those two lovers they are the only ones who are at peace with life.
Yeah, they're happy.
Yeah.
in college days, I wish I would have had that kind of the way she was chugging through that vodka bottle.
Yeah,
I was like,
man.
oh
That
my
भाई
huge.
it will cause beyond alcohol poisoning cause होगा
My God.
उससे
like I would like the first few gulps only I'll be choking on that shit.
and that is coming from me even उनका drinking that scene देखकर I was like यार ये थोड़ा ज्यादा हो गया है इतनी नहीं पीनी चाहिए वो
Amrit is
देखकर
a sign you've become older, definitely. That you're
I
also
know
saying.
I was like वो अबे बेस्ट was क्योंकि तारा वहाँ पे थी उस सीन में तो and like she was like oh you want to compete with her or something उसने ऐसे कमेंट मारा मैंने कहा नहीं ये बच्चे आजकल ज्यादा कर रहे हैं ऐसा नहीं इतनी नहीं पीनी चाहिए थोड़ा मिला के खाना खा के आराम से पियो ऐसे नहीं होता
So,
कुछ
but out of all of us, Arnav drinks the most. So
yeah
he might relate to this scene. Arnav, do you
सही
relate
बात।
to this scene at all?
ओ या डेफिनेटली पैडू के दिन याद नहीं कि तुम्हें कितना
Yeah,
पीता था मैं।
Arnav used to drink so much, man. Yeah,
या
uncontrollable.
अर्ली मॉर्निंग्स जेडी लेके कौन बैठता था, मैं ही तो था वो।
Uh,
सही में
Amrit,
ना
that was a dig at you, by the way.
ओ
Yeah.
नहीं मैं तो था ही नहीं जैसे मुझे पता ही नहीं था किस में टिक गया आकाश
No, I thought maybe in your drunken state you
ये
might
तो
have
दुनिया
forgotten
में
this
वहां बैठ
detail.
के टिक लेता है अब तो मेरे सालों से नहीं पी और मुझे यहाँ घर पे पत्नी से सुनता हूँ मैं ये तो कि जब हम मिले थे याद नहीं है तुम वैसे कर रहे थे लाइक हाँ ठीक है अरे अब तो मैं पीता ही नहीं हूँ अब तो मैं
बट
पीता
अब
ही
छोड़ दिए पीना मैंने भी।
Thank God, it was getting to be a
या
problem.
नहीं
डेफिनेटली।
प्रॉब्लम भी तो बहुत थी याद है
बहुत सारे उस टाइम कितनी प्रॉब्लम्स थी ना मेरी लाइफ में अमृत, याद नहीं क्या?
तो भाई तू टेंशन
So
मत ले
you guys
तुझे याद
touched
नहीं
on
हो मुझे याद
so
या
you guys
तूने ही तो दरवाजा खोला था रात को 2 बजे, ऐसी क्या बात है?
Whoa.
मैंने कहाँ का दरवाजा
What darwaza are we talking about?
नहीं
ऐसा
नहीं he's
No, no,
talking
I
about
know, I know,
mental
I know.
darwaza
No,
only.
no, I know, I know.
ये
केविन
देखो केविन का अलग ही दिमाग।
नहीं केविन भी तो रात को दरवाजा खोल रहा था ना इसलिए
Shit, yeah.
वो नहीं वो बंद कर रहा था दरवाजे भाई, वो खोल नहीं रहा था वो।
Assholes.
भाई मैंने नहीं बोला देख अभी आकाश ने बोला और अर्नब ने बोला मैंने नहीं
Akash ne
बोला
bola. So you guys touched on it before. So an interesting fact is that this movie is the first with completely out gay superheroes, meaning like characters or people who have basically come out, and and also in an action film, they actually acknowledge a relationship. It's not like hinted
या
at. It's
बट
explained.
अनफॉर्चुनेटली सम पीपल थिंक वो फनी है सारा, सो आई डोंट नो।
Kevin.
Wait, what is funny? I lost that from the conversation.
या डेफिनेटली कोई नहीं
Yes,
केविन।
definitely. No, it was cool. I wish they built on it more
नहीं but
about the
वही है
history.
if it's a franchise they can go
Fine.
into
Yeah.
everyone's backstories because they have chosen the most colorful historical time periods of the last 2000 years
Yeah, and
so
it's about time for some representation as well. I like you guys, like Kevin said or you said that it'll be cool to see a crusade time.
यार
Definitely.
कैन यू इमेजिन आजकल के टाइम में इफ दे शो कि 1100s में जब क्रूसेड चल रहे थे दी सुपर हीरोज में अ क्रिश्चियन एंड अ मुस्लिम हु वर ट्राइंग टू किल ईच अदर फेल इन लव और 1000 साल बाद वो दोनों बंदे इट विल be such a it will such be the concept itself is so mind blowing because remember the first line he says I fell in love with my sworn enemy
या
Yeah.
whom I was taught to hate. Like those are very powerful things, especially in the kind of times we
आई
live
थिंक
in right now.
एज यू सेड कि उन दोनों की स्टोरी पे पूरी एक डिफरेंट फ्रेंचाइज बन सकती है।
Franchise में
It could be.
franchise को मुझे नहीं पता I don't think those actors वो
But
खींच पाएंगे उतनी but
या
if
आई
yeah,
मेंट स्टोरी पे।
if they take this back na the part 2 is ki how she meets each one of these people I would they can make a TV series on it honestly also 6 episode का
Yeah.
limited release करो
the
उसमें वो
only sad
बढ़िया
part
बताओ
is that you think people will watch it too about a gay relationship. That's the sad
1000%
part.
Akash the
I
point of
I feel like
putting it
in America,
putting it
the
forget
current
America
time,
नहीं नहीं times तो see you will have pro and anti on every topic Akash देख so you
that's
can
true.
say that कुछ लोगों के लिए uncomfortable होगा but there is enough of audience that's why I said ये movie अगर theater में आती इसकी बहुत वाट लगती but on a streaming platform
On a
A
streaming platform, yeah, maybe it can
it's,
work.
it's
पता नहीं, आई
very
हैव
well worked
स्लाइटली डिफरेंट ओपिनियन, मे बी दिस मूवी माइट थिएटर में भी शायद चल जाती है, डोंट यू थिंक? क्योंकि
I
मूवी
नहीं,
think
में
picture में चल जाती. I think honestly,
okay,
it won't be like a huge success, but it'll be I think,
that.
a success.
I think it'll have a slow start basically,
Yeah,
and
and
then
it
people
will,
will
हाँ,
start.
इट्स अ वर्ड ऑफ माउथ वाली मूवी, इट्स नॉट कि
Yeah.
आप
and
डे 1 पे जाओगे।
that's the good thing, na yaar, Arnab, for a
या
franchise like this to get greenlit the second time, there has to be वो अभी जो currently ये movie कर रही है, जैसे मैंने बोला ना यार, it's been out for 1-2 weeks here इंडिया में trending, and उसमें 1 है ये, rank 1, and it's not
आई
like
थिंक वो
और
जो
कोई नई रिलीज थी।
नेटफ्लिक्स और अमेज़न का आउटरीच है, यू कैन नॉट, या इट्स वो है कि इन इन डे 1 पे इनको दे हैव अ फार बिगर ऑडियंस एज़ कंपेयर्ड टू अ थिएट्रिकल रिलीज, तो
एंड
वो फ़ायदा
द
तो है।
थिंग इज, तुम घर पे बैठ के मूवी देखो, वेयर यू आर जस्ट वॉचिंग इट ऑन योर ओन, you can relate more to the character instead of focusing on a few things which you may have a certain issue with, you know,
या बट आई
तुम्हारा।
थिंक मुझे एक और बात इन पास्ट 6 मंथ्स ये नोटिस की कि वी आर सो यूज्ड टू इवन बिग, जो फॉर एग्जांपल एवेंजर्स अपन थिएटर में देखते हैं, वी एंजॉय इट, बट दैट्स बिकॉज़ वी आर यूज्ड टू दैट काइंड ऑफ एनवायरनमेंट। आई थिंक स्लोली इट माइट
Mhm.
बी द on Netflix you might start enjoying all these movies like superhero
ऑपोजिट,
movies.
या वो अभी जो केविन नहीं बोल रहा था कि मुझे वो कॉमिक सीन्स थोड़े कम थे लगे इसमें ओवरऑल,
Yeah.
दैट दैट इज वेरी लिटरली बिकॉज जब हम थिएटर, आई वाज लाइक बोर्ड यार शुरुआत में, के लिए कुछ और कुछ तो हो नहीं रहा, बट देन आई वाज लाइक यू हैव टू वॉच दिस मूवी इन अ डिफरेंट लाइट। हम क्या, हमें मार्वल से हम वो सेंसिटाइज हो चुके हैं कि
Yeah.
हर 5 मिनट देयर विल बी रॉबर्ट डाउनिंग जूनियर का कोई जोक होगा,
Exactly. Yeah.
या
Yeah.
कोई इंटेलिजेंट कमेंट या साइड से आएगा, या किसी ने किसी को बोला, थॉर भी जोक मारता है यार, तो
Mm.
बेसिकली
He's probably one
इसमें,
of the funniest characters in that Avengers
या
movie.
भाई क्या,
No,
बट आकाश तुझे पहली मूवीज याद है, वो डिड ही
no, yeah,
रिमोटली
that's what I was
सीन लाइक
saying.
समवन,
There's,
वो जो
they
मजाक
learned
करेगा
from
किसी
their
बात पे।
stuff. Yeah, they learned from their stuff, the formula for making a good movie.
But I
अब तो
mean,
मुझे लगता है कि even after COVID, I genuinely don't feel the need for theaters. Like, I can enjoy even Avengers मेरे घर पे बैठ के easily.
I don't know, man, because I remember when I watched Endgame and all these like moments where like Captain America gets Mjolnir, people were
Mm,
screaming in the
Yeah,
theater, man.
yeah, I disagree. I like those. I like the community aspect of it a
Yeah,
lot.
those
मैं
moments make it
safety के लिए I would 1000% say yes, no,
100,
अभी बिल्कुल नहीं।
नहीं, but that, don't you think वो community aspect भी it's very overrated? Like वो आपके 5 साल में एक मूवी आती है वैसी कोई।
नहीं 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 अर्नब, मैं रीजनल सिनेमा भी जाके थिएटर में देखता हूँ, तो और
yeah.
हिंदी और मलयालम दोनों, तो
That's
मुझे
that's that's out of habit, right? Is it?
नहीं, ओके, नहीं नहीं, मैं तो डिफरेंस बताता हूँ। आई डिसलाइक वॉचिंग दोस मूवीज अगर मैं घर के अंदर बैठ रहा हूँ, बट एक थिएटर में जाके वो पिक्चर देखना मेरे लिए पर्सनली, एंड इट्स अक्रॉस टाइम पीरियड्स, दिस इज बिफोर एंड आफ्टर पर्ड्यू, जब मैं थोड़ा और वर्ल्ड से एक्सपोज़र हो चुका था मुझे, एंड आई हैड स्पेंट अ लॉट मोर टाइम स्पेसिफिकली, वो मैं अपना सब्जेक्टिव ओपिनियन बता रहा हूँ, मैं नहीं, मुझे नहीं पता कि और किसी का एक्सपीरियंस कैसा था। मेरे लिए इट इज़ वेरी हार्ड टू एन्जॉय दोज़ मूवीज़ घर पे अकेले बैठ के, बिकॉज़ आई विल बी टू डिस्ट्रैक्टेड।
Yeah.
मैं
Especially the
देख नहीं
end
पाऊँगा।
end fighting scenes and stuff. You need a theater for that. I personally think the Avengers, like, I think no matter how big like of a TV you have,
भाई जब वो
you
थॉर
cannot
अंदर आया
enjoy
था
it.
और लोगों का वो अभी लास्ट मूवी का नाम क्या था आकाश?
Endgame.
एंड गेम, एंड गेम। उसमें जैसे वो रोहिरम असेंबल वाला सीन नहीं था एंड में, जैसे जो
Hmm.
hearing people around you gasp at like 7:30 in the morning कि like अबे सब आ गए and like
नहीं,
that
मेरा वही
moment
पॉइंट है,
is
लाइक
good.
दोस काइंड ऑफ मूवीज, आई मीन आई एग्री डेफिनेटली, लाइक उसके लिए, बट दोस आर लाइक वंस इन
Those are event
3
नहीं नहीं,
4
movies.
years.
हाँ,
Like,
अरे नहीं Arnav, let me, like I think Avengers is the worst example I used. I watched a movie theater में जनवरी दिसंबर में, I think called अय्यप्पन कोशी,
Oh,
रीजनल मूवी है, ठीक है?
horrible movie.
आई एब्सोल्युटली लव्ड इट, लाइक मुझे एकदम प्यार हो गया उस पिक्चर से, थिएटर में जो वो सारे जो उसके मास सीन थे, वो हर बात पे जब वो हीरो वो होता है, इट्स पीपल के रिएक्शंस ओनली लाइक एम्प यू अप मोर कि अब भाई लड़ाई होने वाली है, अब ये होने वाला है, लाइक फॉर
आई
मी
थिंक
पर्सनली
एग्जैक्टली,
वो।
मेरा मुझे वही द थिंग व्हिच आई डोंट लाइक इज थिएटर में यू एंड अप लाइकिंग मूवीज व्हिच आर नॉट इवन गुड।
फेयर इनफ, नहीं नहीं,
एक्सपीरियंस
फेयर फेयर इनफ, वो बिल्कुल हो सकता है कि तुम्हें पिक्चर जो किसी को ऑब्जेक्टिवली अच्छी ना हो, या मैसेज अच्छा ना हो, वो सब, but I think it's I personally for certain movies
I
because
mean,
because
he's
then we will
obviously the
pigeonhole movies into like इसी type की एक movie होनी चाहिए, यही है अच्छी movie. Well, and I think movie enjoy तुम्हारा बहुत subjective experience होता है यार. तुम्हारे
true.
एक मेरे लिए होता है कि वीकेंड के टाइम तुम्हें 2 घंटे मिलते हैं, आई एम आउट अबाउट फैमिली के साथ, टू लाइक हम कुछ टाइम पास का कुछ देख ले सब मिलके, और बस भाई फिर चुपचाप वापस जाओ घर,
Yeah.
लाइक दैट
But
काइंड ऑफ अ थिंग.
Have you guys
this,
watched Atomic Blonde?
I
नहीं,
was
अब
going to ask
तूने
Kevin.
तूने तूने इतनी बार बोल दिया, अब तो आई रियली
No,
वांट टू सी
one
दिस.
of my questions
सही
I
में
wrote
देखनी
down is
पड़ेगी
gonna.
अब तो।
I think
One of my
that's a
questions is I
that's
knew Kevin watched Atomic Blonde. I was going to ask how does this compare, but you've kind of already said. But would you do you like this better than Atomic Blonde?
I think it's at par because Atomic Blonde didn't have like a team and stuff. It was her solo, but she had a couple of badass fighting scenes. I think Charlize Theron is really good at this. And
True.
that's why I think that personally, I think if this movie did release on theater, people would go and watch it because Charlize Theron is a well-known actress. So
I think it would have been a hit in theaters as well. I mean, Charlize Theron is really good. Even in Mad Max Fury Road, I thought she was really good as well.
definitely, she is
Yeah,
good at these.
that movie was amazing.
That movie was overall just good, great. Actually, I really like that movie. But yeah, this had a budget of $70 million, which
Fuck.
compared to obviously now superhero movies, they're like into the hundreds, 200s budget, which is relatively compared to that smaller, much smaller. And well, obviously, we don't know how much it's made because we don't get numbers from Netflix. I tried calling, but no answer. But yeah, I think it would have made its money back
Oh, for
pretty easily.
I think the question you'll have to ask is, would Netflix be happy with their purchase? And I think definitely is because looking at the trending list, they have
Mhm.
definitely achieved what they've in.
Yeah, they're
So
beating out regional cinema. They released it at a time where there is no other big name dropping. There are
true.
many, those are all very positive signs. And lockdowns are being extended everywhere. So,
Yeah.
सब-
So is it trending in everywhere you guys are living? Like Arnav, is it trending for you? You don't need to say where you live, obviously, but just say is it trending on Netflix for you guys?
यार मुझे पता नहीं ट्रेंडिंग कैसे देखते हैं नेटफ्लिक्स पे सो
It's just on the top. It
yeah.
comes in a category list that says top trending, and then number one, number two, number three.
And see, even if let's assume that number is even made up, like I've seen enough
No, yeah,
people talk about it among वो like मेरे दो या वाइफ के दोस्त something उनके maybe people, people are like, oh, old guard, it's okay, it people know
It's
about it, forget good या bad.
in Asia,
हाँ
it's
इंटरेस्टिंग
trending.
यहाँ पे मैंने ज्यादा यहाँ पे सुना नहीं मैंने ओल्ड गार्ड के बारे में ज्यादा एटलीस्ट इन माय सर्कल नहीं सुना
So in
even
Asia,
mine.
it's trending.
Circle.
So I'm sure that it's trending in North America. That's
आकाश
personal.
तूने बोला तेरा सर्कल
Yeah, my friend circle. Yeah, I've been told to watch The Gentleman and all for a Guy Ritchie movie.
आई एम क्यूरियस कि
Wait,
कौन सा फ्रेंड
wait,
सर्कल
No,
Guy
है
I
Ritchie
have my
released a
friends.
Is it
movie?
an imaginary friend?
या
Yes, yes,
टॉम डिक एंड हैरी वो वाला
अबे
yes, yes.
अबे वो सब छोड़, गाय रिची की मूवी निकल गई.
Yeah, The Gentleman has been out for some time now. That's why I haven't reviewed it because it's a bit of older movie, but apparently it's
किस
really good.
किस पे है?
I don't know if it's on Netflix. I've just heard it's very good.
कौन सी मूवी
The Gentleman.
अबे now I know
आई
what
डोंट
I'm.
रिमेम्बर देखी है क्या मैंने
भाई Guy Ritchie makes amazing
Guy
movies.
Ritchie is
And
a really good movie.
मेरी all time favorite movie Lock, Stock and Two Smoking
No,
Barrels.
that's a classic, man. Lock, Stock.
Yeah,
It's a very good movie. Even his Sherlock series were good. Actually,
very
I
good
like them.
यार. कर
Anyway,
ये काम की चीजें कभी पहले क्यों नहीं बताता?
I didn't know you. I thought you might have already watched it,
नहीं
honestly.
यार, I remember seeing a poster about this movie. हाँ भाई, next topic पे जा. As I search for this movie frantically
So
online.
I actually, yeah, it was actually a very nice change to watch this because I feel like we've been watching either stupid things like Too Hot to Handle or serious things like, well, not serious, but like Choked and Gulabo Sitabo. It was a nice change of pace, I felt, to watch this. Some
I think horribly made. I mean, Gulabo Sitabo and
Kevin's on the hate train for gloves, the horribly made. Should,
क्या
हाँ
बात
अपन
should
है?
it
उसका
be
रिव्यू
up?
कर चुके हैं केविन
Yeah.
oh yeah.
हाँ,
So no, this was
मैं
definitely. I think in all the movies, I would put this as my top. Like the
Yeah, I was
past
gonna
five
say,
movies.
so if you had to rank this out of everything we've seen, even though it's very different, everything is very different. from what we've seen for each other. So where would you rank it, even though it's very different from everything we've seen? Like enjoyment factor.
Rank one for this, and then rank two would be Bulbul too. That's and the rest are
Yeah,
cinema.
for me, Bulbul would be one. This would be two. मेरे लिए personally.
अपन मुझे तो याद ही नहीं क्या क्या देखा है अपन ने.
Okay, so we've watched Too Hot to Handle. I'm going in order. Too Hot to Handle, Gulabo Sitabo, Bulbul, Choked, and this.
Oh wow. No idea. Hard to compare there. Completely.
No, just enjoyment factor.
Yeah,
No comparison
entertain.
attached.
How entertained were you? Or
हाँ, I think yeah, maybe बुलबुल और ये somewhere first second कुछ भी order में डाल, doesn't matter, and then गुलाबो सिताबो.
correct.
I think for me it would be this, then Bulbul, like Kevin. Kevin's list exact basically.
Because
Choked
बुलबुल
would be
was
last.
different kind of entertainment, right? It's hard to compare
Yeah,
because this
yeah,
is
it's
more
hard to
like
compare.
chill. वो काफी serious in a way, and वो था topic था, so
I just on enjoyment purposes, I think I enjoyed this more.
I think both kept me engaged in the story. So I think it's a win-win for both.
yeah, definitely.
Yep.
So, but definitely better than Choke. Oh God, I want to kill Anurag Kashyap. That horrible job.
Chalo, Kevin's
Oh,
gonna
I
get
think yeah, for me
that.
choked was बिल्कुल least. Even Too Hot to Handle was better than choked, I feel.
It's just that when you choose a
Oh yeah,
topic that
definitely.
has so much potential and you fuck it up like MS, and that's what he did.
The expectations attached to that movie for us, I think, was high.
Exactly.
Yeah.
It's funny कि अपन ने last time भी same चीज की थी. We in a way ordered our list. Interesting होगा कि वो list अब different होगी इस वाले podcast में. ये सबने maintain की है वो list.
अरे
No,
और हम कब तक
we all
maintain
maintained
करेंगे
that.
list?
Yeah.
Like I think before Kevin and me said Bulbul won, then it was Too Hot to Handle. Kevin was
Yeah.
yours, I
Yeah,
think.
अच्छा छोड़, याद किसी को याद नहीं है. It's
I
okay.
put no, no, I put Too Hot to Handle second. I did.
Yeah, he put Too Hot to
Right.
Handle second.
Yeah, that's
And then
expected तेरे से, but
no, because I felt like it stuck to what it was giving you. I mean, they're not claiming that we are going to give you a good story or
Yeah, Kevin.
suspense and
Defend your position. Yes, Kevin. बताओ क्यों तुझे क्यों पसंद है?
Okay, anyway, Kevin, you've already explained it last one. Don't worry
oh
about
yeah,
it.
I did.
So your favorite action movie or comic book movie, any like in Bollywood, any cinema, your favorite action movie, that one that you remember fondly, or comic book movie even, any that
Are
has
you saying
action.
other than these, right? Other than the major like DC and Marvel.
No, yeah, it
Other
can
than,
be any one of those, or if there's one that you remember fondly.
Yeah.
खतरों से खिलाड़ी
oh God.
Very
और
good.
खतरों के खिलाड़ी जो भी था.
खतरों के खिलाड़ी. It's called not खतरों के खिलाड़ी. का खिलाड़ी? No, I can't even remember. Leave it. Moving on.
नाम
Doesn't
नहीं
matter.
Arnav
पता
has given his choice. Very good.
मुझे याद है
Oh,
वो मूवी बचपन में टीवी पे आती थी बहुत.
hi, hi. Chalo.
खिलाड़ी कुमार.
Okay, Amrit, go on. I won't ask
है.
Arnav why. I don't want to dwell on that topic much.
Favorite comic book movie which I remember would be Watchmen.
Oh,
जो 2000 हमारे I
not
think
bad.
कॉलेज आने से पहले that was my favorite comic book movie.
Did you watch the TV series?
No, I haven't watched the TV series
The
actually.
TV series is only one season. They're only doing one season and it's done. And apparently it's amazing.
Yeah, I've heard ridiculously good reviews about it, but
Yep.
I haven't watched it yet. And best action movie, Kill Bill.
Kill Bill, Quentin Tarantino. I feel like every movie of his can be classified as action movie.
Yeah, essentially. But वो उसका वो series is my Kill Bill would be my all-time favorite action movie.
Mhm. Kevin?
अरे एक मिनट, स्टोरी में ट्विस्ट है. मेरी मूवी का नाम खतरों के खिलाड़ी नहीं था, खिलाड़ियों का खिलाड़ी था. सॉरी.
Wow,
Is
I
that a
don't.
Akshay Kumar movie? I'm guessing with Khiladi in it.
या
Ah. Okay, I won't dwell on this. Kevin?
My favorite comic book movie is Shaktiman.
Oh,
I
Shaktiman, a comic book?
हाँ
आई डोंट थिंक सो.
अगर मैं अपने घर पे ड्राइंग बनाऊं तो मतलब वो कॉमिक बुक बन गई ना.
Or was that just a Doordarshan invention?
तो उसमें क्या है, बनाया तो हमारे लोगों ने बनाया तो अच्छी होगी.
Ah.
मुझे
Yeah.
तो पता भी नहीं कॉमिक बुक की, मुझे एक्सेप्ट ये मार्वल का और कोई आइडिया ही नहीं मुझे कौन सी कॉमिक बुक
I
मूवीज
mean, there's
देखी है मैंने.
Batman, there's Superman, there's Wonder Woman,
I mean, yeah, except ये DC और
there's
Marvel और ये
I
सब
mean,
Yeah,
Marvel
I'm
वाले.
Hellboy.
I'm
another
pretty sure.
another movie that had a really good visual graphic वो was V for Vendetta. उसका
Oh, V for Vendetta was very good. Yeah,
very
Oh,
good.
that's
Like,
a comic book वाली?
yeah,
no,
it was a comic
Yes.
book.
yeah,
Okay, it's a
Oh,
comic book.
yeah,
Okay.
वो मूवी अच्छी है.
that was a very good
Another-
movie.
Had I known
So,
V for Vendetta, I would have thought about that in my answers as well. I was gonna say Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles.
I know, Kevin. No, that movie is shit.
See, I was as a kid, I'm a huge fan of Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles.
Wait, were
So
you're talking about the movies the newer movies, not the old movies where they were dressed
I
up?
mean the old ones are obviously the
Oh,
best,
did you know the
but the new
Backstreet
ones are
Boys
crap.
were one of those turtles?
No, which turtle? Oh,
वो
no.
सबसे अबे लाल वाला टर्टल जो भी
Oh,
लाल
Raphael,
उनमें से
Kevin's favorite.
ओ या राफेल मेरा भाई वही बंदा उनमें से कोई एक was a Backstreet Boy in one of the movies.
Huh?
Yeah.
Interesting. But yeah, Kevin has bad taste. The new Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, he
What
made
do you
me
guys
watch
think
it
about
as well.
Hellboy? I mean, I was gonna say Hellboy is also
Yeah,
decent.
decent.
Hellboy,
I
yeah,
liked it.
Hellboy was decent.
I liked it when I watched them.
Even the second one was
देखी
not
नहीं है
bad
मैंने.
actually.
I
Second one
watched
was also pretty good.
Watchmen. I remember. Oh, bhai, wait, is Underworld was it based on any of these on a comic book?
I thought Underworld. I don't know if Underworld was based on comic book. That I'm
How
not
about
sure
Men
about.
in Black? I was also going to suggest Men in Black.
I
That's a
don't think
I
comic
the
book.
guess for
comic.
an action movie, you can say that. I don't know if it's a comic book.
I believe Men in Black is also what do you call a comic.
I think they
Pretty
made
sure.
it after the movie into a comic book, but I am not sure. I mean, yeah, there are comics actually. Yep.
Oh yeah, no,
1990.
definitely.
Yep,
1990, yeah,
yep.
definitely. So yeah,
Oh,
I
Men
think
in
Men
Black.
in Black I would say is one of my top 10. Like
And
other than
action.
DC and
So, no, I'm saying which you fondly remember, like you like. Remember, like liking. Is there one that
other
stands
than
out?
DC and Marvel, I would say Men in, and then
Okay, so
secondly my favorite, Teenage
teenage.
Mutant.
So for me, I would have said action movie. I always like Django Unchained. Actually, I really like that as an action movie.
That would be a best
And
like modern Western movie.
more
Like
modern Western.
yeah, but because I don't remember its action more than its dialogues. I thought were very powerful and
Yeah.
the depiction was like each of
Yeah,
those.
maybe I'm remembering it for that then, not the action. Yeah, when you say that, I remember the dialogues and
Yeah,
the
because
moments with the
my thing was
Ku Klux
the
Klan and
reason I
everything.
chose Kill Bill was because I just remember her slaughtering all of those people very direct. 'Cause I recently rewatched those films, like I think few months ago.
That
So
technique where she bursts the heart. What is
I
that technique?
I don't remember the name of the technique. All I
Um,
remember is like a dojo full of like 50 to 100 people running around, and for that sequence to not seem fake. I mean, it's
Oh yeah.
exaggerated, but still not seem. It was very good.
Quentin Tarantino is a genius at this type of stuff. But yeah, for me, comic book movie, it'll either have to be, I think, I'd give Infinity War the head because that movie was just for that movie. Those two movies shouldn't have worked. Infinity War and Endgame, with the amount of people in it and the amount of the big name actors in it, it should never have worked if you think
Akash,
about it.
other than DC and Marvel,
Other than DC and Marvel, then I'd have to agree with Amrit. Watchmen.
Watchmen,
But is that classified as a
Ramuka,
DC? Ramu Kaka. Is that
Bahadur.
classified as DC though? Watchmen, I think.
Kevin, what is
Watchman.
with these jokes here? Come on,
Watchmen.
yaar. Come on.
Kevin, stop undermining the
Asshole,
Watchmen.
asshole. Amrit, don't say. Whenever you talk about Watchmen,
अच्छा,
Bahadur comes into the
तो
picture, okay?
भाई
Don't be.
मैं
Bhai.
देख again देख ना he will just double down on the joke won't he
Chalo. Anyway,
on that note और कुछ है भाई इस पिक्चर में I think बात होगी
I
पिक्चर
think
की
we've talked about all we can about this movie and about Kevin's preferences as well.
I mean, if you have
What do you
watched
guys
Old Guard,
what do you guys
if you've
think about immortality? इसमें क्या do you guys prefer अगर ऐसा होता तो?
no, hell no.
It sounds like a lot of suffering, man. I living through everything Eventually, you'll
No,
get
no. I mean,
tired
I'm
from
talking
it.
about for average human being. They don't have to fight all the time, na. ये तो ठीक है. I mean, they
No,
went
that's
through
what I'm
quite a
saying.
lot.
No, no, that's why we must get tiring living through everything. I'm not talking about the fighting. I'm just talking about like generally, like you
No,
see
but no one
everyone.
dies, right? तो उसमें suffering क्या है? It's same
No,
for
like
everyone.
if you're saying everyone gets immortality, or you're just saying you
Yeah, yeah.
yourself.
What do you guys think?
I think the Earth would be extremely populated.
True. I think the Earth would die before.
Yeah.
ये देखो,
नहीं
और मैं
नहीं
तुम्हारे लिए पूछ
अर्नव
रहा था,
नहीं
ये
नहीं
पहुंच गए वहां पे.
नहीं I think Arnav, when if everyone's immortal, they'll realize the importance of death.
That's
Then
it.
That's
True.
right. I was about to say.
उन्हें death का importance तब पता लगेगा कि half the time we want people not to die for our convenience more than anything else, for our mental convenience. ऐसा नहीं है कि हमें ज़्यादा कुछ interest है. Very
Mm,
few people के beyond I think बहुत वो एक selfish desire है. And वही ना, ये movie क्या दिखाती है तुम्हें, वो बंदा बोलता है यार मैं पक गया हूँ, मैं किसी को नहीं बचा पाया, सब मर,
yeah.
और अगर सब नहीं मर रहे then people will find ways to hate or betray each other. Imagine 200 साल की दोस्ती के बाद कोई तुम्हारा काट दे तो
And also,
Thing is,
Amrit,
imagine कि
you
you can do whatever the fuck you want, कुछ होने नहीं वाला तुम्हें. That's such a weird power. At the same time, yeah. पता नहीं.
it's the curse of that thing ना यार. तुम फिर तुम्हारा अभी लाइफ में whatever anticipation or goal hai, it comes from the fact that there is a hidden thing that it can be taken at any moment. Now it can panic and scare you the entire time, but it also
वो जो
adds meaning to every
लिमिटेड
moment.
टाइम का जो फैक्टर है ना, आई थिंक दैट प्लेज अ ह्यूज रोल इन आवर करंट लाइव्स कि आपके पास लिमिटेड
yeah,
टाइम है, यू डोंट नो व्हेन, बिकॉज ऑफ व्हिच यू आर ऑलवेज स्ट्राइविंग फॉर समथिंग बेटर या जो
Exactly
भी
ना
हो.
यार.
it's a huge motivational factor, like Amrit was kind of saying.
Yeah, ambition is removed, right? If you do not, if you think there is a endless resource, तुम उसका value नहीं करोगे उसको. You won't value it the same way, I think
हम्म.
personally.
Yeah, definitely.
बट इसमें एक इंटरेस्टिंग फैक्टर था मूवी में कि इवन दो दे शोड कि दीस गाइस आर इमॉर्टल्स एंड एवरीथिंग कम्स टू एन एंड, इवन इमॉर्टल्स हैव अ एंड इन अ वे. आई थिंक वो जो उसमें दिखाया फैक्टर कि दे डोंट नो व्हेन, मे बी आफ्टर 1000 years 10,000 years, जो भी, सबका अब डिफरेंट टाइमलाइन है आई गेस, बट इवन दे डाई.
Actually, I'm
जब
looking forward to that explanation on why they're immortal and why does it disappear over time.
and who put
बट
them
दे
here? Like, are they a
Yeah,
genetic
that's why. Why?
mutation?
Yeah,
Yeah,
exactly.
are they
But
a
Why?
technically, they are not immortals, right?
Not exactly, no, because they eventually do die.
Yeah, they
yeah,
eventually do die. So
they're,
this the
im- they're
timeline is different.
they're immortal
Mm,
by our standard, but technically there is a limit which comes because eventually the body will stop regenerating. Like वो Lycon guy who dies first,
yeah,
Yeah.
वो बोलता है ना it is time. So
but I wonder, will they figure out a way probably in the second one to extend that Charlie's Theron character kind of life,
You know,
or
I
will
don't
she
know
die?
तुम्हें लगा क्या जब वो व्हाट्स उसका नाम भूल गया, जो भी वो सीईओ था उस फार्मा कंपनी का.
Dudley.
I have a, I have a feeling कि even he is one of them. पता नहीं क्यों.
no, then that won't make sense though. Why wouldn't he then test himself?
True, unless he
उसको
was trying to get rid of them.
उसको पता ही नहीं है, राइट? द आई थिंक बिकॉज मुझे ऐसा लगा बिकॉज व्हेन ही डाइड, राइट, उसके बाद कभी उन्होंने दिखाया नहीं उसको, लाइक जब गाड़ी में गिरे नीचे,
Yeah, they didn't show his
there
body
was
or
not a
anything.
there was not a single shot of his body या कुछ भी पूरे मूवी में.
True,
क्या
Who's
मस्त
this?
twist
And
होगा.
but I hope not, man. He wasn't a very good villain.
या आई नो. नो नो, मुझे
Unless
लगा कि एक्चुअली एंड में शायद वो ही विल कम बैक और समथिंग फॉर द सेकंड पार्ट, बट एंड का ट्विस्ट और भी अच्छा था इससे.
or
बट
I
इवन
was going to say I like that twist a lot. Like
ओ या
Yeah,
डेफिनेटली.
because when I पता है मुझे एक सेकंड के लिए क्या लगा, I thought they are going to get Booker back. मुझे लगा 6 महीने हो गए हैं, we have decided आ जाओ वापस. Then suddenly it's her and I was like wow, that's a very well shown
I
twist.
think it's pretty obvious they're going in the direction ki there will be another team who, and they will have a negative role to play. I guess Booker and that girl and maybe some more. Who knows?
Yeah,
कितने pop
she
up आते हैं.
basically वो भी Avengers side से उठा रही है. तो
I don't
sounds
understand
Seems
why
like it. कि
Booker.
they will be a different team.
Although I don't understand the motive for Booker though, because he deserved
exactly.
it and he said he deserves it as well.
Yeah, but
So I still,
what if he just gets overall bitter? Like what
I
if
think
he just gets bitter? Like you know what? But I don't think I can't imagine him fighting them.
yeah, because when Charlie Theron's character Andy was shot, he was like, no, 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 no. He was like, caring obviously for
Yeah, but now it depends, right? अब जो बंदी आई है एंड में उसका नाम नहीं याद मुझे, but I think
Quinn.
depends
Quinn.
what role she has to play.
Hmm. True. That'll be
Oh,
interesting
plus
to
he's
see.
fighting loneliness, so he might
And
actually just accept her.
her what,
What do you
Kevin?
call?
Her what,
I
Kevin?
mean, he's been fighting loneliness. He says all the time, so he might just accept her companionship and her.
I knew it. I
Oh.
knew you. I felt like he was going to lead to this. I had a
No, no, no,
feeling.
as in companionship, as in like he has someone to relate to, slash
Oh,
his
okay.
her
Sorry, Kevin.
goals becoming his goals,
Yeah,
as
what's
in
I
wrong with you,
misunderstood.
Akash?
I
ऐसे उसको
you
ऐसा
perverted
manipulate
guy.
क्यों कर रहा है यार? क्या यार? I never thought that for 1 second, Kevin.
No,
I
but
trusted you.
technically, won't Charlize Theron die after 100 years have passed or something?
I have
Yeah,
a feeling they'll figure it out.
if she gets shot again,
No, I think obviously they won't, no, because she'll do whatever she needs in that 6 months later part straight away. She won't let Quinn. She won't do it. Wait for 100 years and then do something.
True.
She'll do it immediately.
yeah, technically इस movie में the fight should be starting pretty soon. और
Basically.
like इनके terms में 2-3 साल ये लोग team बनाएंगे. They will indoctrinate that guy. Meanwhile, Nile will learn the ways of the dead, and then yeah.
But don't you guys think that lab has already extracted all the samples of everyone? They could
That
even use
doctor
that.
lived. That doctor lived, huh? That one who was taking the blood samples and all.
I mean, they
So
could easily use it on Charlize Theron. She might get her ability back.
I think
Never.
they might do that because this character is like a main character in the comics from what I've
I
researched.
would be disappointed if they can. मुझे it will be disappointment because I don't want इसमें science आ गया. They figured out a way to
Yeah.
treat someone. That would be a terrible वो. They have to keep it slightly mystic. Otherwise कोई point ही नहीं है.
So Amrit, if you were immortal,
Hmm.
would you be still afraid of the paranormal stuff? Relating from Bulbul podcast.
अच्छा मैं भी भूत हूँ और वो भी भूत है दोनों.
Would you still be afraid? You're like, oh, Maro, you can't do anything. Aja, aja.
अरे अमृत के पास टाइम नहीं होगा. वो अपनी जेडी लेके एक कोने में पड़ा रहेगा.
भाई
You
if
have
if I have any of these superpowers like goodbye normal world.
exactly.
अच्छा वो मैं दरवाजा बंद करके इस घर में रिकॉर्डिंग करता हूँ.
Oh, yeah.
Now he has responsibility. Now थोड़ा mature हो गया है अमृत. तो इसलिए अब ये सब छोड़ दी उसने हरकतें. Otherwise तो अपनी जेडी और वो लाइफ लॉन्ग खुश रहेगा.
अब क्योंकि देख रियल लाइफ जैसे आती है तो तुम्हें वो तो छोड़नी पड़ती है. बट या ऑब्वियसली नाउ एज फॉर द पैरानॉर्मल थिंग, I don't know, yaar. See, for me, like I said, in my own moments of self-reflection, I have understood that it is a balance मेरे दिमाग को चाहिए to like demarcate between the physical world and the other thing. So I don't think even then I'll be particularly over it, but I should definitely be far more confident, like I said.
No, I was just joking about it. You didn't actually need to give an explanation.
अजीब है यहाँ
क्या
पे
यूजलेस
इंसान
दोस्त है अपना यार
जो सही में यहाँ पे इंसान अपने दिल खोल के बात कर रहा और बोल रहा है
So rude, Akash.
मैं तो ऐसे ही पूछ रहा था. मैं तो
टाइम
अच्छा
पास के लिए क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे हैं.
अब हम वापस सवाल मैं तुझसे पूछूं है दिल में क्या चल रहा है तेरे बे. बोलना बोलना
On
एक
that
घंटा हो
note,
गया.
we'll end the podcast right here. Thanks everyone for listening. We'll be back with our next episode where we review Dil Bechara, Sushant Singh Rajput's last movie. Looking forward to seeing that one. It's sad.
Oh wait,
यार
seriously?
यार I'm
Yep.
going to be so sad.
Oh, we're
24
doing
like
that?
Actually pretty
Oh
sad.
shit.
that will be
Yep.
very depressing.
दो
Yeah, it will
इमोशनल
be.
मूवीज दिखा रहे हो.
Yeah, same man.
Yeah, actually.
I'm already saying I won't have an objective opinion about it. मैं तो वैसे कह
Let's
रहा
do something.
We'll see.
Let's
I
do
mean, we
something good.
obviously we won't be like bad about it.
हूँ. Yeah,
But
but
I
yeah.
yeah,
mean, if it's a
but
love
yeah,
story or
not
something, I'll probably say bad about
नहीं, but
it. So I
not
No, but
don't want.
but not talking about it is also not the right thing to do, I
yeah,
think.
we know we should. If we have an opinion on the movie, obviously we're not gonna say anything bad about it. I'm sure.
देखते हैं क्या होता है. चलो.
Yeah, we'll see.
I
So
mean,
yeah,
judge the movie. Judge the movie all you
yeah,
want.
just the
Don't judge
movie.
the person.
We'll just judge the movie, and we can compare it to the English version. If I don't think any of us have seen the English version though.
कोई एक से इंग्लिश वर्जन है कोई. मुझे पता ही
Yeah,
नहीं था
the
रीमेक
Fault
है.
in Our Stars. It's a review. It's a remake of the Fault in Our Stars.
But regardless, I would say be honest. जो भी है.
Be
Hmm.
honest. Yeah,
You don't have to. Yeah.
Correct. Yeah.
yeah. Anyway, thanks for listening to our 5th episode. And you can find us, as I said before, or I didn't say before because I censored it out, on all major podcast providers. So Google Podcast, Apple Podcast, and Spotify. Until next time, stay safe and wash those hands.
Peace
Bye.
out.
क्या
Bye.
थोड़ा टशन में बाय बोलना
Bye.
नहीं
Bye.
छोड़
आज तूने एंड में क्या बोला? मुझे समझ में